If you have acne problems just like mine, or these blind pimples that has no head, let me share with you a solution that's very quick. Only takes 5 seconds. So I've been wearing these colored patches. They're in the shape of bear, and it comes in this kind of bag. Wow, look at that. Those are actually the micro needles. If I zoom in, you can actually see the little needles inside. And why is this super important? Because the needles in these bare patches are supposed to penetrate into your blind pimples to deliver the active ingredients. So I'm going to put it on to show you how it looks like. Okay, see my blind pimple? Put it on, press, a few seconds. And after a few days, you'll be able to see the blind pimple shrink.